Hey, what's up guys? I have used quite a lot of earphones this year, but this is the best that I found below Rs 2000. This is the Tagg Digital SoundGear-500. One of amazing of its kind both due to its shape and the quality that it delivers. Now, taking a look at its packing, they have given this earphone in this velvet vintage pack, which makes it look like an antique piece. When I first put it in my ears, I was not able to feel its weight. It weighs like nothing. It is bit angled so that it can fit directly in the ears. Inside the box, you're gonna get 3 different size of ear tips for precisely fitting in the ears and give a comfortable experience. The fitting is so perfect that you can use it while walking, running or jogging in morning, and it will remain in its position. The built-in microphone is yet another advantage, which can be used during calls, and the buttons here can be used to control calls and musics. The quality of the microphone is not that amazing, but I would say it's just a standard one. The microphone is working fine on almost every device that I have tested till now, but there might be cases where it is not working, but that's not gonna be a negative point. Now jumping on to the main feature of this earphone, the dual drivers. Both dynamic and balanced armature drivers are used in each of the earpiece. It creates the perfect symphony of high, mid and low frequencies. So for music lovers, it is really the best earphone which gives an unequivocal sound with every instrument of the music to get noticed. The only thing that is not up to the mark in this earphone is its wires. They are not tangle free, and quite often it's very hard for me to untangle it. But apart from that, I think it's the best earphone under Rs 2000 that you should buy or gift to your friends and relatives. Now if you want to buy, the links are given in the description. You can buy it directly from those links. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.